I'm Nan Zhao. I'm a project manager in engineering department within LM. I have a bachelor in applied physics, a second bachelor in crisis management. I have a master degree in robotics in engineering. As a project manager in new product development program, I think this is a very exciting job and a very unique position in the company, because our job is to implement the latest technology from our company into the new product and then launch it in the plant, deliver it to the customer. So in our job, we coordinate with almost all the function and all the department in the company. At the same time, we are also working with the customer, with the certifying body, with a lot of external stakeholders. My first project in LM, I took 1 month after I joined the company. Of course, it's a challenge for me, and I was not aware of LM culture much at that time, but I was put on a blade project to launch the blade in a Danish factory, and I have a team with Indian colleagues, Dutch colleagues, Chinese colleagues, also Danish colleagues. So I'm working also with a lot of different cultures from different countries. All of these things mixed together give me a lot of challenge, but it's also exciting because I was put into a real job immediately after I joined the company. It's not theory work at a desk. So I was in the plant directly after I joined the company and worked with the team. Within quite short time, we produced the first product, which is also very exciting. We celebrated together with all the engineers and the staff from the floor in the plant. It's a great experience that you just join the company and then you made your own product. I am an engineer, so I have to say I'm good at calculation and doing all the functions, but my preference actually is to work with people. So for my current job, it's a perfect fit to my preference, also to my characters. In my job, I think maybe 50% of the time I'm on my phone or meeting with people and try to make everybody happy. But of course, it's difficult. Then you need to find a way to convince the other people, and at the end, we think about the final target is to make a product, and then we can always find a solution. At the very end, we have another target, is to make the world a little bit better, a little bit clean. And sometimes we drive on the highway and my kids ask me, "Hey Dad, there's a wind turbine there." I say, "Yes, I'm working in that." After several years working in wind industry, especially in the blade industry, actually I'm very proud of the quality of LM. I think one of the contribution is we are working with every day what we call design for manufacture. So that's in our blade project manual, that's also in our brain, that's also in our daily work. When we design the blade, we always ask the opinions from the plant and what do they prefer to work with. Because you can design a very complex product, but if you cannot make it, or it's not easy to make it, and it's hard to control the quality, it's hard for the worker to work with. It's also hard for us to answer the question afterwards. So everything comes together. We need to design for a simple process. We need to design for a reliable product. And especially in our industry, it's still not that much industrialized. So a lot of things are made by hands. We need to consider our people. And how can we make a 70 meters large object with people's hands? That's a challenge, but we are quite good at it.